Healthy living starts with healthy water. Whatever your water needs, feel confident knowing you have clean, healthy water. Our countertop water filter is NSF tested and certified to reduce 15 times more contaminants than the leading pitcher filter. Bring home the peace of mind that you're reducing up to 99% of the contaminants you worry about, including lead, pharmaceuticals, PFOA, PFOS, chlorine, and more. Lose the bad and keep the good. Claryum Selective filtration technology retains the beneficial, naturally occurring minerals in your water, like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Instantly transform ordinary tap water into clean, extraordinary water. You don't even need a plumber because our countertop water filter has an easy attached design that's simple to install. Replace your filters every 6 months to keep enjoying clean, healthy water. We even offer an auto-ship discounted filter replacement program called Water. Purchase your Aquasana countertop water filter today.